Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, this is Kat. And for this video, very quick lang guys. Kasi may nagsuggest sa akin na panoorin yung Beanie Grammy Museum interview. Kaso I've checked and 1 hour siya. So, meron akong nakitang video na lang na parang highlights lang siya. So, I think nandun naman yung mga fun parts. So, let's go. Let's start.
Okay. In the Beanie group chat, who's muting it, who's spamming it, and who's secretly reading and not replying? Whoa, I'm wrong. Then they will mute. Ate Maloy, warning.
Wait. If you could give a warning for each member, what would it be?
Very small. Wait, also, I feel like you're taller than me. Yes, I'm taller than you.
Wow! Ay, mas matangkad nga siya!
Us as the new leader. Hey, you.
If you could choose, sorry.
Us
If you could choose a new leader for a day, who would cause the most chaos as the new
as the
leader?
new leader. Hey, new leader. Hey, me again. I was expecting you to say Sheena. Kasi I guess she's
Sa
very,
Tagalog.
noisy and funny all the time. But okay, thank you for
Oh, Josie!
we want to find as a compliment. Has it happened? A lot of times. That means you ate. So you ate a lot.
Literal na.
Mine would be tic-tac-toe. Raise your hand if you're tic-tac-toe. Enjoy your game. 7. Okay.
7.
Mine would be the coconut milk.
EP? Signets?
Mine is Sugar Rush.
Yeah.
Yes, because I love sugar and I love
Brush. Taba ng utak.
comfortable singing. Check,
Ano
check.
ba?
Okay,
Yan.
she's challenging us. Pressure. You want unang kilig, please?
Parang may napanood akong ganito. Unang kilig. Yung pinanood nila. Ay, yung kinanta nila, diba?
Gusto mo naman sa akin magaling. Gusto mo malaman na nung
Iisip.
Let's just struggle and time.
Manis.
This boy is my guarantee. Okay,
Oh.
What? But it does it every time. Love it when you're talking all that ooh la la. Nobody does it like you. Na na na. Want to lay upside down with your legs on the wall? So then that.
Huh? Back when they were teenagers, they surprised mother for her birthday with a chocolate cake. Sadly, they were on a diet, so they couldn't eat.
Chocolate cake. And then we said, okay, we're gonna this week the action plan. And then they just gave us like a very small, like so small, like it does not even reach my throat.
Very Pinoy humor si Shin.
Girls are me,
Homebodies.
Rankit. No, not you. You cannot survive a day without. I would rather perform like a 3-hour long concert than talk to someone. So is this your worst fear right now? No, we need to do this.
Walang choice.
Face your fears. Face my fears. Hi, my fears.
Hi, my face!
We need to do this. Face your fears. Face my fears.
Hi, my fears! Tawa na utak.
I feel like they would be so shocked that we are so loud that even our neighbors reported us. Really? Yes, that was an experience. And after they reported us, we were so quiet for like 5 minutes and never loud. Oh, and they would be so surprised also that we are what we call Muse.
Ano yun? Sorry. Ganda. If you were stuck in a deserted island, what would your rules be?
The Muse. Like the ate, like the sister, like the head sister.
Colette?
We'll be dancing by tropical. Yeah, non-stop dancing. I will vlog. Stop here and then Ika will build us a mansion or maybe a boat. She will be our creative director. Joanna will be the hunter. She's the maid.
Just the
Ika will work out. I will be. Your love. I would be. How about the photo booth role? Probably my loud laugh.
Tapos, Joanna!
I like my alarm now. The I like that. Yeah. Only alarm that wakes me up. No, wakes everyone up. Yes. Except you.
Except you.
A flashback.
Tapos na! So, yun lang yun, guys. Sobrang... Ang ganda sana panoorin ng buo, no? Pero dito pala nakakatawa. Parang feeling ko sila, tawag dito, hindi nila kailangan na mag-train na sumagot ng mga interview kahit sa abroad. Kasi nadadala nila kahit yung parang Pinoy humor yung pagkasagot nila sa mga interview. Ayun, siguro offline, papanoorin ko yung buong interview na lang. So, yun lang guys. I was planning naman na sundan pa yung panonood ng episodes ng mga natitirang Bini versus. So, nakapanood na tayo ng kay Colette tsaka kay Maloy. Hindi ko alam kung kanino yung next. Later, i-check ko. So, yun lang guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So, to more videos. Thank you so much. Bye!